13 students were asked how many countries they have visited. Here are lists of their results. So you've got 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11, 16. So they are in order of size. We need to find the interquartile range for the number of countries visited. Right, so before you can do this, you need to find the median. So the lower quartile, which is called Q1, and the upper quartile. You need to find the median before you can find these two. So if we write out the numbers, there are 13 altogether. So if we count along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the middle number. So this 6 here is the median. Right, then we look to what's halfway between the two will be where that line is. So there's two numbers, so we have to do 4 plus 4. Divide it by 2, which gives me 4. If there's only one number, we'll just take one number. And then here, there are two numbers, 9 and 10, for the upper quartile. So there's 6 numbers there, halfway in between the two. 9 plus 10 will give you 9.5. Now, the interquartile range, IQR, is Q3 minus Q1, so that's Q3 minus Q1, so it's going to be 9.5 minus 4, which gives me 5.5 countries. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the interquartile range from a list of numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.